everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing really great. So as you guys already know after seeing my thumbnail that in today's video I'm gonna share this particular makeup for this Raksha Bandhan. So if you guys are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching, but before that please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to hit that notification bell right next to the subscribe button so you guys can notified every single time. So without any further delay, let's quickly start.
First we will start with primer, and for that I am using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Matte Primer. This primer works amazing for oily skin type. Also it controls sweating on your T-zone.
For foundation, I am going to use this Olivia Instant Waterproof Makeup Stick with SPF 12. I am in the shade 05. This makeup stick is really good, like for oily skin type. This blends very easily. Also the coverage is medium. Okay, so that's enough. Now I am going to blend this. And for blending you can use sponge or you can use brush, whatever you like. So I am using this flat top brush for blending.
As you can see that this makeup stick blends very nicely, and yeah, it's very creamy in texture, so you have no need to put lot of effort.
I am done with blending. Now I am going to conceal my dark circles. You can use the same foundation stick to conceal your dark circles, but I am using this concealer from Swiss Beauty. This is liquid concealer in the shade 02.
I'm not using too much product for concealing. I'm just dotting it and blending with a blender.
I'm using concealer instead of that foundation stick because concealer की consistency foundation stick से थोड़ी ज़्यादा thick होती है, so it stays for long. But if you don't have concealer and you don't want to put concealer, then you can use that foundation stick as well.
Now it's time for baking, and for that I am using this Blue Heavens It's Sapphire Translucent Fuse Powder in the shade Natural.
I'm just baking my T-zone because यही area है जहाँ पर मुझे ज़्यादा sweating होती है, so I am just baking this area, not my entire face.
For brows I am using Swiss Beauty Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Grey.
First I am going to draw a line. उसको अब हम स्प्लश की हेल्प से हटा लेते हैं और आप चाहो तो उसको अपने पूरे फेस पर ब्लेंड कर सकते हो. इफ़ यू वांट टू देन यू शुड डेफिनेटली गो फॉर इट.
For contouring, I am using NY Bay Contour Stick in the shade 06, and this is a perfect contour shade for medium skin tone.
So now I will blend this out with this brush.
I am just loving cream contouring these days. You have no need to put lot of effort for blending. And for nose contouring I am using a small brush. Now it's time for blush, and for that I am using this Sugar blush stick in the shade 03. This is a perfect pink shade for daily wear, and I love this shade. If you want me to review it, then please let me know.
This blush is very good. This blend very easily, you can see, and I love the shade. This looks very natural. Okay, so now it's time for eye makeup, and the palette I am going to use is Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. First I am taking this brown shade right here, and I will draw a C right here like this. Can you see? Shade is very big.
First I am applying this dark brown shade on my crease area and little bit on my outer corner with this dome shaped brush. Now I will blend all the edges and harsh lines.
Next I am taking this burnt orange shade and I will apply this shade just above this.
With the help of same brush I am applying a dark burnt orange shade just above the shade which I have applied earlier.
Okay, so blending is the key. Just blend very nicely and blend all the colors together. so now I'm taking this shade. This is the transition shade, and I will apply this right here.
To blend all the colors together, I'm using this blending brush. You can use that dome shape brush first to apply that shade on your lid, and after that you can use this blending brush, so it will give you more pigmentation, so it will blend all the colors together effortlessly.
Now I will draw a line over here, and for that I am using the same concealer which I have used to conceal my dark circles. So ये मैंने जो crease है यहाँ पे cut करी है.
To set that crease, I'm using this base shade from the same palette, and now my crease is ready. Now I'm using this Makeup Revolution Tummy X palette. Inner corner में yellow, center में orange and outer corner में green और brown shade से यहाँ eyeliner create किया
I
है.
haven't applied eyeliner. आप चाहो तो इसे और ज़्यादा smoke out कर सकते हो, but I am not going to do that. It's time for lower lash line, and for that I am going to apply kajal. This is Blue Heaven's soft kajal eyeliner. This is in the shade blue.
Taking blue shade from the second palette.
And I will smoke out my lower lash line. Now I will curl my eyelashes.
And for mascara, I am using Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara.
This lift your eyelash like in seconds and stays for so long, so I love this mascara. Okay, so मेरा एक side का makeup done हो चुका है. Now it's time for this one, so I will be back.
Now it's time for my favorite part of the makeup. It's lipstick, and yes, for that I'm using Maybelline New York Color Sensational in the shade 05. This is a perfect peachy shade with pink undertone. And I have forgot to mention the highlighter. I have used this Sugar Contour de Force mini highlighter in the shade 01. So that's enough for the makeup, but now this look is incomplete, so I'll be back after wearing my dress and my jewelry.
Right, so this is it. I hope you all like my video. If yes, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. For more information and queries, you can DM me on my Instagram. My Insta ID is @glamgirlswati. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.